Hi, Eric Baker, Vice President of Astec Digital here on the show floor in Astec Industries booth here in St. Louis. I'm really excited for our new Dropzone product that we're displaying and launching here at World of Asphalt. When a truck driver pulls underneath a silo at an asphalt plant, right now that operation is very manual. Operator loads the truck goes in place, but there's no real intelligence on top of that that allows the operator to know if that truck is properly in place. What we have here is kind of a video game setup where we can drive a truck with a game controller just to display the technology, and we can pull it forward. You can see it going, and I'm not a truck driver, so bear with me. But you can see here on the display, it actually pulling forward. And what it's using is artificial intelligence. So we've trained a computer vision model to identify the truck bed, and you can see it drawing the perimeter of that truck bed and identifying it as green, and we're okay to load. That prevents situations where we might load in a place where we shouldn't be, and allows the operator to safely load that truck. We've trained it actually in a virtual space like this using technology from NVIDIA. If you want to learn more about the Dropzone product that we're launching here at World of Asphalt, you can find more about it at aztecdigital.com.